In 60 seconds time, you can pick up 4 great sales funnels that will earn you commissions, build you an email list, and also improve your Warrior Plus affiliate score. Everyone knows the value of lead magnets and sales funnels. With a good lead magnet, you can attract high quality subscribers and build a high converting email list. With a high quality sales funnel, you can enjoy great conversions and great commissions. But what if you had a funnel that could give you a high quality product to give away, while at the same time earning you some big commissions and improving your affiliate score? Welcome to Rhino Results 2.0. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner Mark Jenkins, we've fully updated a product which has already earned people literally thousands of dollars in commissions since we launched the original version 2 years ago. Using Rhino Results 2.0 is easy. Step 1. Pick up a copy today for less than $10 before the price goes up. If you come back later, you really will pay more. Step 2. Apply for your free giveaway funnel links with guaranteed approval. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you enjoy great commissions from your funnels simply by giving stuff away for free. And don't worry if you don't have any traffic or an email list. Full training is included that will give you all the traffic you could possibly need to promote your free giveaways. Affiliate marketing really doesn't get any easier than this. We're not going to hype this product up because we don't need to, but you do now have a choice. Keep doing things the hard way by putting together your own squeeze pages, lead magnets and sales funnels, or letting us do all the work for you with Rhino Results 2.0. Either way, have a great day. But myself and Mark want to see you on the inside. Welcome to this quick demo video for Rhino Results 2.0. As you can see, we're in the members area and it's all very straightforward. There's just a quick welcome on behalf of myself and my launch partner Mark Jenkins, the opportunity to subscribe to our exclusive Facebook group and YouTube channel. Then we get straight into the overview and then into the main training section. So you've got your 3 giveaway products that we're going to give you, complete done for you funnels that you can go out and start giving away and then making money from the commissions on the upsells, the great converting upsells inside those sales funnels. And then we've also got a little hack, if you like. It's a way that you can dramatically improve your Warrior Plus score by giving away an almost free version of Rhino Results, an almost free version. It's actually got a sale price of just $1. Why that's really important and why that will dramatically transform your Warrior Plus score will be explained in full inside the training in Rhino Results. So everything that you need is here, all the resources including squeeze pages and training on how to generate free traffic. Anything you could possibly need to actually use this product is included inside it. And obviously if you're seeing this during the launch, you can pick this up incredibly cheaply as well. So I hope very much that you will jump on and that you'll join me and Mark inside this members area. We'll see you inside there very shortly.